Woi, what's up? I'm Diana, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a brownie with no sugar, no dairy, no flour. Yes, it's possible. Are you ready? Let's go! You want to start by cooking 2 cups of your raw black beans with nothing but water. Or to go faster, just take 1 can of 15 ounces of black beans. But me, I used raw black beans. Once your black beans have cooked, or you have soft beans, you need to let it cool down. I placed mine on a plate in the freezer for 15 minutes to accelerate the process. Meanwhile, you can put all your other ingredients in a bowl. Start with 2 whole eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, preferably melted. Then you can transfer everything in your blender. Here's a trick for you guys. When you're gonna put your honey, add a little bit of oil in your measuring cup so it doesn't stick to it. So you're gonna add 1/3 cup of honey. Blend the egg mix for a few seconds to make sure it's homogeneous. Then add your beans, then 2/3 cup of cocoa powder unsweetened, then half of an avocado. I blend them separately just to make sure that everything is well mixed. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the black bean water or more if it's hard to mix. Grease your pan and pour your mixture. Make sure you preheat your oven. Now, let it cook for about 30 minutes. Et voila! This recipe was inspired by ambitiouskitchen.com, and I actually did a review about the original recipe. If you want to watch it, click on the link down below. I really love the recipe. My kids loved it, and I hope you do too. Please let me know if you try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you soon.